The mildness of the weather in the Canary Islands, with an average temperature ranging from 20 to 25 degrees centigrade the whole year, makes of this archipelago an ideal location to enjoy any outdoors activity. This factor creates a very attractive atmosphere to foster street life. The historical downtowns and pedestrian walks combine traditional trade with recently opened innovative stores. On the streets there is plenty to offer, with varied products at very good prices. All this goes along with the trust generated by the warm, close and specialized attention historically provided by the professional workers of general and catering trade in the Canary Islands. Both typical and nouveau cuisine restaurants, the local tascas and cafes and several leisure areas complement the offer of the different shopping zones. Those parks, gardens and squares close to commercial areas, as well as the numerous typical terraces of the stores, provide the perfect location to breathe fresh air before going on with the window shopping walk and enjoying the wide variety of shops. Safety is another of the appeals of these shopping areas. Anyone can quietly walk on these streets, as they are mainly for pedestrian use and banned from vehicles. The open commercial areas of the Canary Islands are located on settings full of history and traditional buildings. One of the most significant examples is that of the town of La Laguna because of its monumental and historical wealth. Located on the island of Tenerife, La Laguna has been declared Heritage of Mankind by the UNESCO. Culture, architecture and arts join forces to create a varied atmosphere in every corner of this municipality. The quality of this open commercial area has obtained national and international appreciation with different awards, which has made of it a perfect example to be followed by mixing the beauty of the setting with the quality of the general and catering trade services offered in it. The varied particular characteristics of each island and county of the Canaries surprise their visitors with totally different architectonic, cultural and social elements. To encourage the activities of these open shopping areas, the Canary Islands have a specific tax on consumption status, which favours the existence of really competitive and attractive prices for the consumer. This unique historical characteristic, which has remained even after the island's entrance in the European Union, means a significant saving opportunity for the visitors' economies. The typically rural character of some of the island's towns can be seen in the presence of numerous wholesale food markets and the so-called farmer markets. These markets are an appeal for the senses. This is the case with cheeses, sweets, honey and delicious wines. Other products offered in these markets are the traditional craft works like baskets or typical embroideries, wood carves, rag dolls, folkloric cloths, mixed with more modern handicrafts distinguished by the design, like jewellery, glassware and furniture. The most popular tradition of the Canaries comes together every weekend in these markets to sell the local farm production and handicrafts. The Canaries offer in each of their islands a varied quality service with competitive prices, all within a tourism framework mixing sun and sea, culture and tradition, innovation and progress like nowhere else.